Hello children, welcome back. So let us continue our lesson. In the previous session, what we have learned, what we have discussed, Benjamin and Peter started walking to the McGregor's garden. Why did they go there? To take off Peter's coat, shoe, right? Okay, let us see now. So, after reaching there, they got frightened and stopped. They saw a large cat was sitting there and they quickly hid themselves under a large basket. As you can see here, they hid under a large basket. Now, the cat which had been looking the other way now got up, stretched herself and came and sniffed at the basket. Now, the cat came near to the basket and she started sniffing. Perhaps, P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps she liked the smell of onions, O-N-I-O-N-S, onions, because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because she sat down on top of the basket, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. The cat loves the smell of onions. Why? Because she sat on the top of the basket. Then little Benjamin and Peter started crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. The cat sat there for a long time. As evening came, there was a pitter-patter and some bits of mortar fell from the wall above. Then what happens here? The cat sat for about 5 hours and till evening she sat over there and there was a noise of pitter-patter and some bits of mortar. Mortar is nothing but a mixture of sand, cement and water used to join bricks or stones together. Okay? Mixture of sand and cement used to join the bricks or stones together. So that has fallen from the wall. Then suddenly the cat looked up and saw old Mr. Benjamin Bunny. Who is he? He is little Benjamin's father, prancing along the top of the wall. Here prancing is nothing but moving with high steps. Okay, little Benjamin's father not moving with the high steps along the top of the wall. He had come to look for his son and heard the little bunnies crying softly. Now as he came, he heard the noises of crying. Who are those? They were little Benjamin and Peter. They are crying softly. Then suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly, old Mr. Bunny jumped off the wall and onto the cat. He jumped onto the cat. He flung, F-L-U-N-G, flung the cat into the garden house. He flung is nothing but like just giving a kick to the cat into the garden house. Garden house is nothing but small building in a garden. Like a warehouse, greenhouse will be there, no? Okay, so there he flung the cat and locked the door. L-O-C-K-E-D, locked the door. The cat was too surprised, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised, to scratch him. The cat was very surprised to scratch him, but old Mr. Bunny came back to the basket and pulled out little Benjamin and Peter by the ears. By catching their ears, little Benjamin's father took out the basket and he caught their ears. Then he took out the handkerchief full of onions as well as the flowers and marched the naughty bunnies out of the garden. What he did then? He took the handkerchief full of onions as well as flowers. Then they started moving to their home. When Peter got home, he gave his mother the onions and flowers. She was very pleased. Pleased. Pleased is nothing but very happy. Who is happy here? Peter's mother was very happy with the wonderful gifts that he brought her. She did not even scold. S-C-O-L-D. Scold is nothing but Osa karna. Okay? She did not even scold him for being a naughty bunny, because she was so happy that he had found his shoes and coat. Okay? So, do you think this is the first time that Peter has lost his shoes and coat? No. He has lost his shoes and coat many times. But then also, his mother is very happy. And she did not scold to him. Even he is naughty. Because she is very happy that he found his shoes and coat. Okay, children? So, this was the lesson. And it was written by Beatrix Potter. Now let us go for the textbook bits. Reading bit. Answer in brief. You have to answer in brief. First one. Who was little Benjamin visiting? Where did they live? Who was visiting little Benjamin? Yeah, cousins were visiting. So where did they live? They live in the wood at the back of Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay. Second. What did Mrs. Rabbit tell the little bunnies? What did she say? She said that you should not go to the Mr. McGregor's garden. You may go to the lane, but you should not go there. Okay. Third one. What was Peter wearing when little Benjamin found him? He was wearing red hand pocket kerchief. Fourth one. Why did little Benjamin and Peter hide under a basket? Why did they hide? They saw a large cat and they hid themselves. Next, fifth one. When did old Mr. Benjamin Bunny come looking for his son? As they started crying softly at the time, Mr. Benjamin Bunny came. Now be it. Read these lines and answer the questions. First one. It spoils people's clothes to squeeze under a gate. The proper way is to climb down a pear tree. A. Who said these words? These words were said by little Benjamin. And where was he going? He was going to Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay. Second one. Little Benjamin and Peter started crying. Why did they start crying? Because they got frightened of the large cat. Okay, children? Now see bit. Answer in detail. How did Peter lose his shoes and coat? What happened to them after he lost them? Okay, this you have to answer in detail. And second one. Who saved Peter and little Benjamin? Who saved? Yeah, little Benjamin's father saved him. How did he save them? You have to give the reason. And don't worry, these answers will be given in the next video. So, no need to worry. And this D bit and E bit are cancelled because due to the pandemic session, so we are reducing the syllabus and as well as the notes. So, no need to learn these bits. Okay, children? Now, let us come for the grammar part. Read these sentences. Peter was a rabbit who lost his coat in the garden. The boy goes to school. Now, these are nothing but nouns. Noun, nothing but naming word. So, there are two types of nouns. Common noun and proper noun. So, what do you mean by common noun? Common noun is a name of a person, animal, place or a thing. And it will be in a small letter. For example, rabbit, coat, garden, boy, school. And proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. And it always begins with a capital letter. Examples: Peter, Benjamin, Pluto pencils, Mumbai. So children, the grammar of this common noun and proper noun I will be explaining you in the next video. So till that time, you learn this lesson properly and go through this common noun and proper noun. Okay? So take care. Bye bye.